How to differentiate between raw diamond, crystal, and quartz, a comprehensive guide for gem hunters. Have you come across a shiny, translucent stone and wondered whether it's a raw diamond, crystal, or quartz? It can be difficult to distinguish between these stones with the untrained eye, but they vary greatly in composition, hardness, and physical properties. Today, we'll reveal the best scientific and practical methods for identifying the differences between raw diamonds, crystals, and quartz. 1. Initial examination, shape and overall appearance. Before conducting any tests, take a good look at the stone. Raw diamond, often opaque or partially transparent with sharp, irregular edges. It tends to have a waxy or greasy shine. Crystal, it may be fully transparent or semi-transparent with a strong glassy luster. Crystals often have geometric shapes like pyramids or columns. Quartz, it varies widely in appearance, from milky white to transparent or colored varieties such as pink or purple. The main difference? Raw diamonds rarely have smooth, rounded surfaces or a glassy appearance like crystals and quartz. Hardness test. Who's the toughest? One of the most common ways to differentiate these stones is by testing their hardness, using the Mohs scale of hardness. Raw diamond, hardness equals 10, the hardest natural material on Earth. Crystal, hardness equals 6 to 7, much softer than diamond. Quartz, hardness equals 7, similar to crystal, but a bit harder. How to test? Try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. If the stone easily scratches the glass and leaves a clear mark, it could be a diamond. If the stone doesn't leave a mark or the glass gets damaged, it's more likely crystal or quartz. 3. Reflection and luster test. Which one shines more? Raw diamond reflects light sharply but unevenly, giving it a brilliant luster that is not glassy. Crystal reflects light evenly and sharply, creating a strong glass-like shine. Quartz has a glassy luster but is less brilliant compared to crystal. Best test? Use a strong light source and compare how the stone reflects light. 4. Transparency test. Can you see through it? Raw diamond, it's usually opaque or only partially transparent. Crystal, it is fully transparent, allowing you to see through it clearly. Quartz, it may be transparent but often contains inclusions or air bubbles. Try a reading test. Place the stone over printed text. If the text is not clear or visible, it could be a diamond. If the text is visible clearly through the stone, it's likely crystal. 5. Thermal conductivity test, the science behind it. Raw diamond is an excellent thermal conductor, meaning it dissipates heat very quickly. Crystal and quartz tend to retain heat longer. How to test? Place the stone on your lips or cheek and feel for temperature. If the stone feels extremely cold, even after holding it for a moment, it's likely a diamond. If it warms up quickly, it's likely crystal or quartz. Pause 6. Water test. Does it sink or float? Raw diamonds are dense and will sink immediately in water. Crystals and quartz are lighter and may float partially or sink slowly. This test is not conclusive but can provide additional clues. 7. Magnifying glass test. Reveal the natural inclusions. Raw diamond, it often contains natural inclusions like uncrystallized carbon or small cracks. Crystal, generally pure or may contain air bubbles. Quartz, it often has visible color inclusions or internal lines. Key differentiator? Natural diamonds are rarely perfect like crystal or glass. 8. UV light test, the hidden glow. Some diamonds will fluoresce under UV light and glow blue or bluish white. Crystals and quartz generally don't show a strong fluorescence. This test isn't 100% accurate, but can be an additional clue. What to do if you suspect you have a raw diamond? Use these tests to verify it yourself. Consult a gem expert or take the stone to a certified lab for further analysis. Don't rush to conclusions. Many stones may resemble diamonds, but are not. Raw diamond, crystal, and quartz may look similar, but the right tests will reveal the true identity. Have you ever come across a mysterious stone? Let us know your experiences in the comments.